Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm actually excited for the video today because it's not what you think. It is definitely not clickbait. It's actually kind of a revolutionary way to think about how to get big returns, whether it's for retirement or financial freedom or just growing your account mindlessly. May not be revolutionary to you, but then again, maybe it will be. Now, we're talking about a 10,000% return. What is that also? A 100 bagger. What is that also? 100 times gain, right? A 100x gain. Now, as I've said before, right? And I went deep dive into trading for a long time, and I still follow many trading systems. But I challenge you, because I've looked myself, I challenge you to find a trading system found online or found in a book that has real, verified, crucial word, has to be verified, not some Forex demo account, right? With real verified results that have actually returned 10,000%. I mean, how long do I have to give you, right? It's doesn't exist, question mark. Again, I don't want to back test, right? I can pull out MT4 and use faulty data and do whatever I want to do. But you know what? Even then, it's hard to find a trading system with enough data to actually get to 100x or 10,000%. Okay. Now, the problem, of course, is the real verifiable results, and it doesn't exist. Please comment whatever you need to do. Tell me about a 10,000% trading system that's verifiable, please, because I will share it and I would love to know about it. All right. But we don't know of any system that can turn, say, $10,000 into 1 million, which is, of course, at 10,000%, right? Except we do know NVIDIA, okay? And this is not a cherry-picked example. This is an example that we all know, all have followed, all could have done. This is NVIDIA in 2016, right? $10,000 needs to turn into 1 million, right? Like Dr. Evil taught us. And it's 2.5. I mean 2016 to 2026, about a decade, that's over a 10,000% return, right? That's not trading it. Much as I studied and love trading systems, this is not trading it because I tried. I tried many times. I tried on Tesla. I tried on Apple. And you know what bothered me? Even as I was trying to make all my money and did make good money in trading systems, I could never get there. Not with a trading system, because you can't. You can't get there. You buy here, sell there. You miss too much. And I said it even when I was angry with buy and hold index funding, which I kind of still am to a point. Even when I was angry about it, I could not get to 10,000%, which is why I issue that challenge to find something, right? But there it is, 2016, right? And there's the curve to 2026. And we hit the 1 million mark in 2024-ish, and it just kept going, right? So this isn't clickbait. 10,000% is a real thing that's happening in real time, kind of all around us, okay? Oh, but how do we do that? Because it doesn't matter if you talk about it. I care about what you can actually do. And NVIDIA is a problem. Why? Because no one, don't say you did. I mean, you could say you did. Maybe I'll believe you. But no one can pick NVIDIA in 2016. Okay? No one knew. No one knew 10 years ago about NVIDIA. And even though no one knew, even less people could have known and then held it, right? So we're talking about 0%, 0.000001, whatever, right? So that's not repeatable. No one knew to pick it, and no one could have done it even if they did pick it, right? That's the problem, see? We know it's possible, but we don't have a method. Or do we? Okay. We've been talking about it now for a few videos and also in my free newsletter, right? And even in the DIP program. We've talked about the coffee can portfolio, which is trying to put a real life example on this process, which is trying to show us exactly how we can maybe make 10,000%. Recent book called Coffee Can Investing. And the stated goal in that book for the coffee can portfolio is what? To make 10,000%. That's what the whole book is for. Very, very wordy, hard to get through, but that's what the book is for. And the author is writing about an actual trader who's actually trying to put 5 million into his account and make it 500 million in time. Okay, well, how do you do that? Well, we've talked about it. We're not going to talk about it again. The author, or the person the author was writing about, went through a massive, when I say massive, the amount of research that went into trying to find the stocks that would go up 10,000% is outrageous. You have to respect the amount of research that went into finding this, and the historical research of going back. Well, what did it in the past? What did it in the past? So you can do that if you want. And there was a portion of my life where I loved doing that in my off time. I love sitting around reading stuff like that or finding out stuff like that. That was a true joy of mine. It is not a true joy of mine now. What's a true joy for me is simple answers, right? Without all that work. So you can do that, and that's great. Or you could put blind faith in a YouTube video from a small corner of financial YouTube and just do that, right? I mean, that sounds a little iffy, doesn't it? But you could. Someone tells you something that's going to go up 10,000%, just do it and hold it for decades. Or you could put a blind faith in AI, dial up ChatGPT, make me a portfolio that's going to go up 10,000%. I track one. I've talked about one. You could do that. Yikes. As I've said, ChatGPT is wrong a lot, an alarming amount. Hopefully that'll change over time, but I'm a little freaked out about it, right? When you type something in, nope, you got to double check it yourself manually as a human. But anyway, you could put your blind faith in AI to create a portfolio. Okay, fine. But there's an easier way. The whole point of this video, there is an easier way, which kind of freaks me out. Again, this is not financial advice, meant to educate and entertain. Do not risk any money you cannot afford to lose. The path to this return, not clickbait, is math. The path is math. Buried deep in that coffee can book, just kind of a throwaway line under dozens. You have to sift through dozens and dozens of pages of an avalanche of anecdotes, whatever, and sidetracks and side stories. There was an absolute revelation to me, and that is, he was talking about, okay, well, I have to pick stocks in this coffee can portfolio, and what I need to do is math. He actually broke it down into math. He was doing all this research for one specific result. And here it is. To turn $10,000 into $1 million. Now, his timeline was 30 years. We just talked about NVIDIA was about 10 years, right? 10, 11 years-ish. So it doesn't have to be 30. But let's say it is 30. And I don't want to get into, well, that's too long, whatever. The point of this is 10,000%. He had a 30-year timeline. So what do we need? Drumroll, please. 16.59% per year, average. Doesn't have to be that every year. But that was the goal for his portfolio. He wanted to pick stocks that he believed would go up 16.59% per year on average when you put equal weights of all of them. Okay. So if your window is 30 years, and guess what? If you say, oh, I don't have 30 years, if you go on this path, I've said it before, and you only have 5, if you're on a 10,000% return, where do you think you're going to be in 5? You're going to be darn good. So it's worthwhile, even if you're not going to wait 30 years, literally. Okay. But if your window is 30 years, all we have to do is a CAGR, compounded annual growth rate of 16.59%. Now, here's the thing. We don't have to pick stocks. We don't have to, or look through financial statements. All we have to do is buy an ETF that meets that goal. That's it. Pretty crazy, right? One purchase, one time, and then let it go for 30 years. Seems too simple? Well, let's find out, okay? Well, of course, we need an ETF that does that. So let's go back to 2004. Is that enough time? We're over 2 decades now. VGT. You could use others. This isn't the only one. I didn't give you any special information here. VGT, very popular. Vanguard, top of the line, right? Since 2024, 14.8. We are right near the target. I know, not quite. But 10,000 so far has turned into 223. That's incredible. It's right near the benchmark. And as you'll see, lately it's been doing much better than our goal, right? Around 23 years-ish. We're not to 30. Remember compounding? It picks up late in the game. This is right on schedule. Anyone could have done it, okay? And remember, VGT has gone through the great financial crisis. It dropped over 50%. You took a 50% haircut in 2008, despite the fact there are all of the other recessions that have happened since then. We're almost on track. We're practically on track for this outrageous clickbait number. All right? Do the math. It's up over 2,000% already. And again, I'll say it again, compounding dramatically picks up. So a simple ETF would do exactly what it is we're talking about. Again, is that the only one? Of course it's not the only one. There are others. Let's go back about a decade, since November 2015. And I didn't search long for these, by the way. I pulled these out in probably 5 seconds, okay? There's VGT, yay. SMH, semiconductor sector, yay. And SPMO, my personal favorite. Okay, there's just 3. There are more. Okay, since 2015, are we over 16%? Way over. See what I mean? It has recovered from 2008 and then some, right? With a vengeance. SMH is just, it's double. It's more than double. It's crazy. And SPMO well above the goal since November 2015. 3 ETFs, no research, no anecdotes, and it has done its job for over a decade. Crazy, right? So the bottom line is this. Let's wrap it up. Even if tech and semiconductors, even if they pull back, which they will, we're still way ahead of 16.59. Still way ahead. Furthermore, if you're scared of the pullback in semis or in VGT, you can use something like SPMO. Look at your history of SPMO. The drawdown is like a half or a third. No guarantee of the future, but historically speaking, SPMO has a drawdown that's way lower. Why? Because it rotates its holdings every 6 months, so it has a chance to get out of the ones that are falling and into ones that are working. And that's why it's my favorite, and that's why I use SPMO for the $10 or the $5 a day challenge. But the bottom line is this, on the bottom line screen, if we use math, it's clear that 10,000% return is not clickbait. It is doable. And several things are on track right now. And that is absolutely revolutionary to me. All you got to do is try to find something that's already produced that number. So if this has been useful for you, or you want real-time updates on how $5 a day challenge is going, or tons of portfolios like this, or case studies on what to do and be financially free, there's so much. You can join the DIP program, of course, right? All of them updated in real time. And if this is useful at all, please like and subscribe and spin around like Jim. Thanks for your attention. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.